You're the lefty. Jack, you're the lefty. Let's go, Johnny. You go. Yellow. Let's go, D. Move it back to Jack. Jack, turn behind. Jack, turn behind. Hey, turn around. Judas. Can you? There we go. Good. Be ready. Step out. Turn for wing. Get behind, Rowan. Get behind. Backside look. Here we go. Communicate, Dee. Let's go. Communicate. Oh, yeah, Junior. Yep, no slide. Go, Johnny! 5 yards above Chili. Hey, Johnny! Hey, Johnny! Push it, Johnny! Johnny! Yellow! Get in! Easy man! No, we're still subbing. Good, Jack, get to the crease! Do it left side! Your right side here, Junior, right wing. You gotta be behind! Fisher, you gotta be an X! Hey, Sam, you're the 2! Ethan, you're on the crease! Noah, stick out! One more! Good heat! Who's the one? Get wider, John! Hey, who's on? Hands in your heart! Get higher! 2 on 19! No, not 2! That was not it. Where'd you get open, Ethan? One more! Dodge! Taking your hot! Good head, Noah! Let's go! 2-0. 1, 2, 3. Hey, we need someone onside. No, sorry, on D. Yep, try it. Off. Far side, pick that like a booger. Yeah, Yo, right here. Get him. Dodge now. D. Hey. Yellow. We're subbing. Hey. You're on new, Tristan. Stay there. Hey, what are I didn't have the reaction time. What? Hey, give me that. Okay, Peyton is up and Buddy's up. Are you heading up there? Hell yeah, Cole! Use your goal, use your goal! 2 pointers, no, push over, push! Hey, movement! Hey, go to the crease!
Go, LSM.
Roll, if you're going to shoot that, you got to shoot that. Right behind you, right behind you, Rowan. Right in front of you, Rowan. Jack! Win that, Jack! Win it, Jack! Win it, Jack! Come on! Come on! Nice ride! Sell it, sell it, sell it! Yes, sir, go up! Double team the ball right here. Double team the ball. Good. Even better. Even better. Choose your end! Choose your end! Find the ball, Jack. Jack, find the defender. You wait. Find the guy. Everybody's got a guy. Double it. Oh, we didn't get a guy. Where's your line? Look behind! Pull. Another pull. Hey, send the ball. Move the ball up high. Move it high. Okay, we gotta get we're not in our shape here. Who's on?
Righty. Hey, who's on?
Hey, Judah. Good save.
Hey, who's on? Call defense.
Nancy! Ethan, we're on the EMO! Jack, we're on the extra man!
One more. One. Deep in, go on. Deep in. We're man down.
Jackson up! We're still man up! We're still man up! Get the crease! Good for you for not retaliating. Good job, Rowan. Hey, we need another. Hey, we're still man up. We're still man up. This is going to be a penalty.
Alright, Deegan, I didn't see it.
Where are we going?
But the easiest thing to do is nothing. Alright, because now we're a man down again for a minute. Okay? And what was a 1-goal game is now going to be a 3-goal game. Okay? Because we've been man down for a minute and a half. Alright?
I get it. He might have said something. I didn't hear it. But, right? You gotta walk away from it. Okay, you gotta walk away.
Thank you. No, you are not on man down. We're 3 now.
Come off, Johnny, come off! Running him out, we're not trained! Step in and move it, see Rowan! Rowan, step in, see 2v1, see Ethan open! Foot there! Rotate!
Oh my God, that kid
was Johnny, crease! Johnny, crease! Johnny, crease! Move it! Alright, Johnny. No! Double it! That's not a man up! Hey, you gotta match up! Not three! Everyone get a guy! Check! Check!
Here we go, boys. Let's keep it up.
Let's go, boys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, we're still man down. Fourteen. Nice, man. Let's go! 5 seconds. 4, 3,
Hey, D-Mid, be ready.
2, 1, release! Hey, ones are up. 1, 2, 3. Good keeper! Yep. Look out! Trap it! Thank you! Oh! Where's our other one? Go! Jackson! We're fine! No! Jackson! Up! Hey, slow! Yellow on that! Ethan! Go! Another demon. Go. Mark up! No! Hands to your heart, Ryan, you're hot. Hey, move it to Rowan. Move the ball to Rowan. Rowan, you gotta come get the ball.
Matthew, you're hot. Matthew,
Move the
you're
ball to
hot.
Rowan. Rowan, get the X. Rowan, get the ball at X. Who's the two? We need a two. Sam, slip in. Sam, slip in. You're the two. Sam, you're the two. Stay there. Check down.
You need that.
Go get that. Good. Move the ball. Good. With the hot. Rowan, we want you to go again. Get the ball back to Rowan. Go. All stick, guys. All stick. All stick. Move off ball, Dylan.
What up, Cam?
Tim box! Jackson, that's me! No, settle, yellow, get the ball, Jacob. Shake it, ball. Dig him behind! Hey, Rowan, you're behind! Get X now! No, not you, Pierce! Go like that!
You know what I like about that shot? The last several lines low, so the goal is
Hey, short stick, shorty. Go.
Buddy, you're coming in.
Made up.
I need a third minute.
Yellow. Right here. Jack's got the net. Oh, yeah. You're on the crease, Peyton. Peyton, you're on the crease. Yeah, go wide. Oh, yeah. Hey, Jack, we don't celebrate goals, dude. Come on. Score the goal. Back for teammate.
Let's go.
Coach, I like that.
Yeah, I mean, it looks tacky, right?
Hey, come on. Work together. Great pass! Great pass! Push it! Got him! Yeah! Atta baby, Pierce! Oh, don't you go, Jack. Jack, go! Great ground ball. Great push. Need freshmen, two more freshmen. 1, 2, cut.
Yeah, grab the ball.
3. Sure.
Hold it!
Time out.
Hold it!
Time out. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Everybody here? So I need you live right now. Coonsy, how much time do we have? 1:30. Excellent change. And hey, here's the deal. If it's not there, you totally don't have to force it. Dylan Bushing's job is to walk up. What you think? What you think? 1, 2. I want you Get one out of Brady, go X. Brady, go X. 100. Brady, 100. No. No, that wasn't what I dropped. You gotta get the ball to Jacob here. Jacob, get the ball. Get the ball to Jacob. Jacob, you're replacing on the crease. Jacob, you're on the crease. Exchange guy. You're on the crease, Jacob. Off-ball movement, off-ball cutting. What up, Brad? Defense, you stay on. Let's go. Hey, Manny. Football. Stay outside. Defense. Jackson. Here we go. Johnny, stay on. You're actually just Follow. Get up. Drop this. Drop it. Check. Great ride. Great ride. Great ride. We got it on, man.
Yes, Luke, get out of the game!
Over your right, Deegan.
Hey, we need a pull? We need a pull on the face? On the face?
Oh, we got no one.
Noah's on there?
Noah's on there.
Hey, D-mid, Matt, go.
Nobody else is getting mad at you.
No, he's right. No one's
Just push him. Good. Look back. Good, Noah, good. Good play. Help him. Good job. Yo, Judah, push this to the front. Get in front of him. Take one. Take the ball. Goal's good. And we got penalty 1 minute on goal's good. I don't want you to be here to help with the hey, we need to try. Is it time still? Did you wave it? Okay, hey, we are. We're going to be man up. Pull. Double it! Hey! Hey, we go! 30 seconds. Hey! One. Good. Someone come off. Stay off.
gonna go.
Balls on the other side.
Release!
Yellow, 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 yellow. How are you, Troy? Hey, Cesar. Good, good.
Troy, no!
Good, Judah, good, Judah. Help me! Look, CJ, look, CJ. Look, CJ. Choose up. Jack, get on him! Bill, one more! Two of you guys, go! Pierce, go! Pierce! Hands up! Hands up! Dig it off! Hands up! Keegan, run! Run off! Josh, give it, match up! Hey, we need one! Go! I know, I swear, I didn't know if it was their ball. I didn't know if I kicked it.
Oh yeah, Shadow, come on. Shadow, stay with 12.
Run through it.
Hey, Tuss.
Good.
Tuss, stay up.
Hey, Obi.
Box, guys. Box. Players and coaches, get out of the box, please.
Are we clocking this? Who's are we clocking this? No time. It was yesterday. That was our whole run scheme. Go on. Hey, we need a deep one.
Hey, set it up slow. Set it up. Good work. Yeah, yesterday there was time.
Half the refs read the rules, half the refs don't.
Yeah.
There definitely are timeouts. I made the table read the rules because I knew there were timeouts. Hey, go to the middle. Nice. Good.
Take care of the ball better, guys.
Let's go, Gage.
Come on, Johnny.
Let's go, Gage. Run, Johnny! You can run around him! Johnny! Push it, Noah! Push it! Go!
Help Noah.
See this! 1-0. Hey, go to your goal if you need to! Oh, we're good. Play feet!
Deegan, it's here. Come on, no.
Hey, match up, new!
Deegan, new.
Hey, play feet, Deegan, play feet! Hey, number 3. Logan Street! Now you have this guy! Ball adjacent! Who's ball? Hey, Sam, come up! Let's go, Cal! Who's the left? Good save! No! Hold, stay on! Stay on! Get the goalie! Go get the goalie! Hey, hold on to the ball! 20 seconds. Left! 2 seconds. Yes, stick. You get clamped that. 5, 4, 2, release on 1. Please! We gotta get back! Stay on side, man. Stay on side. One down, one back! Go over! Go! Hey, Rowan, hey, we need 2, fellas. We need 2. 1 and 2. What do you take, Rick? Shabu! Set it up! Now! Forward! I sent you off. That's my bad. Forward! Free play! Get that thing, man down here. We're gonna leave those guys. We need one goal. I got it. Good job. Yeah. Right here.
Get in your box, boys!
Coach, we did not need a pull.
Get in your box!
There you go. Stop right. Tony, stop off! Time out! There's a wide open person. Hold it. Check Alex. Yeah, show Luke, come for Buddy. Buddy, go to the crease. Hey, who's hot? Help out Jackson, who's the one? Behind. Who's hot? Ryan, you're hot. Ryan, you're hot. Stand Jackson. Marcus. 12. Omit. Twos. Hey, Deegan, come two. Keep cutting. Deegan, go get the ball. Deegan, go to X, get the ball.
Hey, Rowan, be careful for the break. Watch the breaks.
Get that ball off.
Run!
Go, Deegan.
Oh, almost.
Two heads. End ball, guys. Let's go, CJ.
Slow it down, boys.
Walk it up, CJ. Walk it up. Deegan. Deegan. No. Check. Ears. Good, Noah. Come on, go! Two of it. Is that the line? Jack, just drop it. You're fine. Hey, go get the ball. Match up. Hey, set up. We're open. We're adjacent. Attack, go on, attack, go on. Can't just sub off like that. Push, push behind. Who's the one? Who's the one? Go!